Hey everyone, it's Andrew from the Fetch Content Creation team. Today's content short is going to focus on our new product line, Firehouse Dorm Furniture. We'll look at the individual families in the product line, the options available to them, as well as some examples on how to use these products. These families are intended to be used in Firehouse crew quarters, but can be really used in any short-term dorm setting. The product line consists of 2 bed options, a nightstand, a desk, and 3 types of lockers. Let's take a closer look at these families individually. Choose between a standard bed with a headboard and footboard, or a custom-made wraparound bed with convenient charging outlets. Both options include 3 floor-level drawers with optional locks. The width and depth parameters change the mattress to your desired size, and the rest of the bed will parametrically adjust. This simple nightstand can be adjusted dimensionally to adjust width and height. This family can also add locks for security purposes. The desk family is very versatile. Users can adjust the width and depth of the desk as well as adjust the desktop and valence heights. The desk can be further modified with cubbies, doors, and locks. The family also includes a built-in LED light just behind the valence to provide task lighting. The 3 locker options match the height and style of the desk and include left and right panels to create casework systems with finished sides. The single bay locker includes an internal hanger bar, shoe space, top shelf, and additional small cubbies. The triple locker includes 3 doors, 3 drawers for use as a wardrobe that can be shared with up to 2 other shifts. And the wardrobe locker includes shoe space, an internal drawer, storage cubbies, half-width hanger bar, and top shelf. All lockers include optional locks. These families can be used together to create self-contained sleeping areas. In this example, we've used the desk and lockers with a back panel to create dividing partitions between spaces. The locker end panels and back panel family make it easy to create a finished look to this casework system. To wrap up, the Firehouse Furniture product line is easy to use and will make a great addition to any public safety project. These products have multiple choices and styles to choose from that will make your work stand out. If you found this interesting or helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below. And don't forget to check us out at fetchbim.com to download the Fetch application and start designing with ease. Thanks for watching.